फुडली विधानसभा वेंचणूक आपूण बाणावलेच्यान लढयतलो अशें मिकी पाशेकोन जाहीर केलें। ते भायर बायलेक खंय नुवेच्यान उबी करतलो अशें मिकी सांगता।
कॉन्टेस्ट करीत जाल्यार
हय
सावथाक करतलो म्हणून
सांगता म्हणल्यार खंय
असेंब्ली इलेक्शन बेनावली माय वायफ गोइंग टू कॉन्टेस्ट इन वी ऑलरेडी डिसाइडेड नो माइंड कॅन चेंज ऑल सेट एंड डन।
दुसरे वटेन गोंय फुटबॉल संघटनेचे 80% क्लब रजिस्टर नाशिल्ल्याचेच मिकी सांगता। हे गजालीचेर मिकीन GFA कोर्टान वचपाची शिटकावणी दिल्या।
पण लास्ट टाइम आय केम टू नो द बेतालबाग स्पोर्टिंग क्लब आहा तो क्लब गांवचो लोकांचो आनी ते बी डिसिजन घेतले जे क्लबाचे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आहा ते अमेंड करपाक। सो विनर टू अमेंड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इट इज just not an amendment and to be reviewed. That has to be given before the authority. And who is the authority? The registrar of societies. So, माझं क्वेश्चन आशिल्लो ते मिटींग तुम्ही अमेंड केले बरें आहा तुम्ही हे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कॉपी दिल्या खंय म्हणून लागले. सो आय अंडर द रायट ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन आय वॉन्ट टू नो दॅट दे नेवर गिवन that constitution copy and club is never its club is almost defunct. Now club was registered from after that 5 years. Every registration which is before the registrar of society to the 5 वर्षांक change renew करपाक every 5 years. So this was never renewed. Okay, and the club defunct, as good as defunct. The activities going on, collection full thing going on. I was sponsoring many times to every function. I was supporting them also. So what happened? I made a letter to the club not to hold the election. Whichever way, 9 वर्सां तुम्ही काढली आणि 6 महिने काढा आणि ह्यो गोष्टी सारखे बसया. Till then, club is not active. Okay. So I wrote to the committee, the existing committee. So I said, I wrote them letter. They did not respond. I came to know I filed a case against the club, who's spending, cycling the money. Every tournament, a year, 2 to 3 tournament they are organizing. The ground, the city ground is there, right there next to the church. The whole ground being, decorated with the alcohol companies. There are a lot of alcohol coming in as a sponsor, in terms of sponsor. There is no proper accountability. There is no audit. Now, why, if you want to renew the club every 5 years, you have to give every 5 years audit, which is mandatory to the society director of societies. Now, I filed a case before the
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक TV।